Honorable members, those senators sitting in the gallery, will you vacate the vice president, deputy president seat? I allowed you in the speaker's row and not to sit on the deputy speaker's seat. Deputy president seat, sorry. Order, and Sergeant at Arms, you know the rules of the House. You don't need the Speaker to pronounce himself on this for you to enforce the rules which you know. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can take that seat except the Deputy President.
We are ready.